And this kind of fuse link or fusible link is available in almost all modern cars with a different category or different design. This is a glass one, and this one is in Mitsubishi cars. This is Mitsubishi Outlander 2013. If you notice here, those dots, if you notice here, they're all good. But if you go on the top here, on the top right, let me take this one out. On the top right here, you see this one here, there is a space. That means the power that leaving here, it will come to these three places and they come down here. Okay, but the one that's come from here to here, it will feed this cable, which is going to the alternator, and same time it come here to feed this connection that feeding the cluster, the message in the dashboard, the LCD. Now, what make this voltage spike or amps so high that this piece break? Because it's circuit breaker. Okay, see here, what happened is, down the road, this car here, for example 2013, the battery may not be changed for almost 5-6 years, or maybe it been changed, but the maintenance is so poor. This is the negative side of battery terminal, and this is a positive side of battery terminal, which is sitting here, for example. Okay, now what happened is, consider this is a battery. Car battery sitting here, and the battery maintenance is kind of a little bit poor. You come in the morning, you try now to start your car, you put a positive, negative power here and positive power here of your booster, but unfortunately sometimes you can get confused and the people switch the booster, you know, like instead of putting it here, they put the negative here and positive here, which the alternator have a diode. And sometimes computers have diode too, or computer also have polarity resistance change. You know, you cannot change the polarity on the power that go into the computer. What happens is, it will destroy, first of all, to save the alternator, this will blow out, so there is no power going here. But if it's too much, sometimes risk the alternator will go bad. The alternator will get damaged. So now, because of your battery, which from the first change, clean the battery terminals, or at least change them. I will put a link down to show you where they are. At least change those battery terminals and clean and put a new battery, at least clean them, maintain them, and then you will have no problem. So in this car here, it costs the owner almost $2,000. Why? Computer replacement from the dealer, brand new one, is over $1,000. I want to show you how the computer look. Battery, alternator also is gone. Alternator is over $200. Plus waiting, taking the alternator. When this blown out, the technician changed 3 alternator 4 times, 3 times. Take it, put it, doesn't charge. When we found this problem, we order, we put it in, still other item get affected. So here, for example, this is the information that I give it to you. So please, if you have a car, even if you can do nothing, just try to go and put like hot water, or try to clean those terminals. Take it out, clean them, be sure that everything is okay. And I'm talking about all kind of cars. If you can get this one original from the dealer, it's better. If you are not able to get it, also aftermarket, they have it at a reasonable price. All these things here, maybe less than $100. I will show you where you can go and get it, and I will put a link. But my advice is avoid getting into boosting your car. You know, like if you feel your battery is weak, change it. Just go there and like how you gonna know it's weak. Like you're gonna try to start it and it doesn't start well, or it take you know, like you feel it, and the time, like example, the battery have more than 5 years, 4 years. Winter is coming, put a new one. Yeah, you save your alternator, you save your battery, and you have no headache. And computers, I want to show you the computer how it look like. This is the alternator. When you put it, try to put a good alternator so you don't have, but it's gone. This alternator for Mitsubishi is gone, and it may cost you a computer, it may not, over $1,000. Yes. That's, try to avoid those. Also, I want to show you something. If you can come here. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a small animal jumping. That's beautiful. Anyhow, you want to go to picnic, he took people and stuff. Okay, anyhow, I want to try to go here and go to Amazon. And if you put here, because I bought some of them. Let me go to my account, see my orders. If you see here, you come to Amazon.com and you click on this here. You can get this piece. If you have a Prime account, they can send it to you in maybe 2 days or overnight if it's available. Like here, if you buy it now, for example, when you're gonna get it, delivery tomorrow, August 5. Today is August 4. You can get it tomorrow. Also, terminals. Okay, terminals, for example, this one here, or those for the Nissan, like this one is for the Nissan. Also try to change them from time to time. Just be safe. Just try to clean them and you have a good power. You see, this is like one of them. Comparable, negative and positive. Try to get it here. If not, if you can pay from the dealer, the difference is not big, so buy a new one. Put them tight, clean, change it, and you're good to go. Please do maintain your battery, maintain your, and here you have a lot of parts. I don't know which one is this for. Maybe this one for Nissan models. Some Nissan, they have this one. Also, it creates a lot of problems. So please check your battery terminals, clean them. Be sure that it's tight. The terminals are well clean and tight. Your battery health, check it. All those fuses, as soon as you try to jump your car, you will get into troubles. Please, this is only my advice for now. I have nothing to say more than this. Subscribe, share, and like. And I will put some link here so you can, if you need any of your car product or your car parts or some items, you can get it from here. I get paid as a commission from Amazon also to help support my channel. So please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. And if you need any information about any other stuff, please let us know. I will do my best. Also, even they have fuses. Keep some fuses in your car. This is for the older cars. There are some other fuse that's and how much is it? $8. Having some fuses, keep them in your car. You have a battery charger, your phone charger sometime pop up, go look for it and location for that fuse and change it instead of wasting your time going to go to the dealer, spend $20, $30, 2-3 hours just for it. You can learn where is the location for that particular fuse and change it. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like.